Artlist.io. Music licensing
So
reimagined.
we learned so many things for the 2 days, HR bootcamp, no? So meron maraming mga aha moments, merong mga akala namin is okay or legal, but during the training, merong okay, hindi pala yung tama, meron palang dapat na gawin. So full of knowledge, marami kaming pwedeng baunin pag-uwi. So, kapag i-echo namin doon sa mga kasamahan namin, so, surely, meron din silang matutunan. So, yun po. Salamat.
So, natutunan namin sa HR bootcamp is a lot of things, especially in the recruitment. So, there are a lot of things that we need also not to implement in our company, and also most especially sa labor cases, sa mga labor terms, especially doon sa regular employment, sa casual, sa seasonal, even on how, even that we learn yung about sa employer-employee relationship, that it is not just based on the contract but also on the fourfold test. So basically what we learn here, so we will really implement and dadalhin namin sa company namin. So that's all. I learned a lot from this HR bootcamp. I learned from talent acquisition down to compensation and benefits, and also for learning and development. And I hope that I can join another bootcamp soon. Thank you.
Whether you're a newbie in the HR team or a seasoned practitioner or even a decision maker in the company, attending the Uprush Social Geekers HR Bootcamp will really help you in your in carrying out the roles of being an HR professional, and the credentials of the speaker makes her credible in discussing the topics under HR, and also facilitating the discussion on real life real life HR scenarios.
Artlist.io.